Hi everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Master. In today's video, I am going to show you that how you can calculate percentages on Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Here I have my Excel sheet open as you can see on your screen, and I have the list of students, their scoring marks, total marks, and the resulting percentages we are going to calculate today. So first of all, I will type the formula is equal to, and then I will select the cell A, and then I will press the slash key, and then I will select the second cell. You can also type the cell manually as well. So I will press enter, and here you can see that the percentages has been shown. If in case of that it is not shown, you can see simply here on the top bar you see a comma style. If you click on it, it will show in the point style. But if you click on percentage style, it will begin to show in the percentage. And similarly, in case of student B, C, D, and E, you can also do the same thing. I will repeat that is equal to select cell A slash second cell and simply press enter. And here you see that this is the value in comma style. So I will simply select this cell and I will go into the percentage style and it will show in the percentage style. You can also do it by simply dragging these values and it will automatically show the percentages of the students C, D, and E. So that's how you can calculate percentages in Microsoft Excel. Hope so you like the video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials like this. If you want me to create a video on any other topic, you can give me the suggestion in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.